The increased usage of artificial intelligence on Google Play and the new countries for Apple search ads. Let's dive into the main news of app stores for September 2024. Starting with Google, it is needed to mention that despite all the updates Google Play has, it still remains the most popular and widespread app store in the world among app developers and, of course, among app users. Of course, we do understand that there were a lot of updates during the last year on Google Play, and actually, we already discussed how these updates influence the way we work with Google Play, but today we would like to focus on some recent updates. First of all, it is a kind of visual update on the main page of Google Play. If you remember, previously the search bar and the search button were placed on the top of the page when you enter Google Play, but for now they relocated it to the bottom of the page. For now, we cannot say that actually it influenced the algorithm or the search list, but we do understand that this can influence the way users look for application and the general behavior of the users on the store. One more update is that now Google Play developer console application is available to be downloaded on App Store. So in general, developers using iOS devices now can upload the application and track the metrics, check the reviews, answer the reviews, and so on. And one more update is about artificial intelligence, and that Google and Google Play particularly tries to implement artificial intelligence as much as possible. So now they have added the possibility to generate full and short description for custom store listings when you create them for your application. For now, the generation is available only in English, but we do understand that we need to expect more languages to be added. And one more important key update is about the search list. Actually, Google released the information that now users in Google Play can choose which data Google may use to personalize the search list. If they take into account the information they provided, they do not mention that this will influence the search list and search results in any way, but we do understand that this will. And for now, we will have even more personalized search list when we look for the applications using keywords. And let's go to App Store, and the most important update is about Apple search ads, and that Apple adds 21 more countries for this service. Previously, they launched Brazil, and it was a kind of really successful case. So for now, they have decided to add 21 more countries, and it is really important update because for these countries, we will have the possibility to check search ads popularity, that is already the official data from the store about the keyword popularity. And one more update is about visual optimization, that for now developers should choose between two formats of the screenshots, one for iPhone and one for iPad. So when you upload the screenshot, you should choose between 6.9-inch screenshots and 6.5-inch screenshots. And if you have already uploaded 6.5-inch screenshots, there is no need to change them for 6.9. So as you may see, even during such short period of time, there were really a lot of updates on Google Play and App Store, and we at Keyapp try to follow all the updates so to be able to suggest the best strategy for your application promotion.